Nagpal Industries. Number 1. In corrugated machinery and technology. The Nagpal 4-color lead-edge Flexo printer slaughter die cutting machine is an advanced packaging solution designed to streamline the production of high-quality corrugated boxes. This machine integrates flexographic printing, slotting, and die cutting into a single workflow, ensuring efficiency and precision. It begins with a lead edge feeder, which smoothly feeds corrugated sheets into the printing section, where up to 4 colors are applied using flexographic technology, delivering sharp and vibrant prints. The slotting unit then creates precise creases and slots, allowing for easy folding and assembly of boxes. Finally, the die cutting unit customizes the box shape, adding intricate designs or functional elements like handles and display windows. With high-speed operation, user-friendly controls, and durable construction, this machine is an ideal choice for packaging manufacturers looking to enhance productivity and quality while reducing operational costs. Choose Nagpal Industries, where excellence meets technology in packaging solutions. Subscribe to our channel and get the latest updates on cardboard box machines. Our address is plot number 65, Sector 6, Faridabad, Haryana. Contact Nagpal Industries today at +91 9810 to 75497 and invest in machinery that transforms your vision into reality.